Hey, Matt here with 911R. Tuesday afternoon, and I thought I'd take this 330 GT 2+2 out that we have ending tomorrow. This car has been here in Arizona for quite some time. My buddy's owned it for over 14 years. It's been serviced by Steve Majorvik at ECS in Deer Valley. He's a Ferrari, Lamborghini, Concours judge. He has a beautiful shop here. I absolutely love going over there and checking it out. He did a full top end on this car, heads, valves, all the stuff, lots of service work, and is taking care of it for my client. This car was originally delivered to Beirut, Lebanon, which I thought was kind of unique, but then quickly came to the U.S. After. We have a report in there from the 330 registry. It's kind of showed the car's lifespan, but you know, this beautiful ride here. Everything works really good. I'm looking at all the gauges; they're all working properly. And you're just taking right here. Only thing I haven't noticed, the radio, it makes a little bit of buzzing noises, but I wasn't able to pick up any stations. This has a 5-speed gearbox, and you know, you got 300 horsepower, 4-liter Colombo engine. Again, like I said, you know, Steve just did all the top end on it. You know, the underside of the car is very dry. Please look at the underside videos, pictures on this car. You know, here we are. We're cruising now 90 kilometers. Was that, you know, 50 something? But here's getting like 60 miles an hour. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no vibrations. It's got beautiful Ferrari wheels on it. It is as the car was delivered in Argentino silver with the black leather interior. The leather's very nice in the car. It's got a nice headliner. I love the quilted on these. All the bright work in chrome looks really good on it. Just, you know, it's a beautiful driving car. And, you know, I thought it was such a nice day. Let's get out and, you know, stretch this Colombo's legs. You know, the ride quality on it is nice. I'm not hearing rattles or clunks or bumps or anything. It's very smooth. Shifts through the gears really nice. Downshifts good. Doesn't grind. So I mean, that's just a big plus. These gearboxes are always were kind of clunky, but this one does shift good. The motor's got a nice free rev to it. It doesn't feel bunged up. You know, no blue smoke behind it. So I mean, just a pretty great little example of one of the, you know, ultimate Ferraris. I mean, you just kind of feel yourself, you know, sitting behind the prancing horse on the steering wheel. Just makes it a pretty nice feeling. But hopefully you can tell this car, you know, it's a good running car, and, you know, great condition, and you know, we're just, you know, pretty excited to have it. So any questions, you know, please use the contact seller button. I can help with transportation. I can help with, you know, getting things around. Also, if you're interested in consigning a car with 911R, let me know, and we'll happy to get it. We can either take it to our Portland location or down here to sunny Scottsdale. I have to say, it's pretty great to be here in Arizona in January and having the sun. So again, thank you very much, and good luck tomorrow. And need anything, use that contact seller button. We'll be watching the auction closely. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.